Hey YouTube, it's JSpears15 coming at you today. So I do want to say thank you for all those who are patient with me and who are following me. We are currently done packing the trailer up for our move, and I will reveal where we're moving to. We're headed to Washington State near the Seattle area. I'm not going to say which town though, but it's in that area for those who are just wondering. But I'm just going to take a quick tour of our old apartment here. And wow, we had some great friends come and help us. I am definitely grateful for that, but let's take a look. It is so empty now. This is insane. We got the kitchen, we're just finishing up. Hey sweetheart, wave to the camera.
Hi!
An amazing wife there. We got some great views from our apartment here in Montana. But so far, just a few things we need to get rid of. And of course, some stuff in the bathroom that is all done. I'm so grateful to the friends that have helped us get moved out, but it's amazing. So, it's a few things in here of our old roommate's room. It's completely empty. It's not normal. And a few things in here in our room, just our air mattress, but a few things there, but we'll put that in the Highlander. And then the living room, the main facility. And then of course our deck is all empty. It is insane. But I am definitely grateful for that. But yeah, so far so good. It's getting everything taken care of. But more to come along the road. We are definitely excited for our new adventure to Washington State. If you do like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, comment below. Love to hear how your guys' move went. We'll get into more detail on the trip as we go. Thanks. Take care, everyone. And we'll definitely see you later. Today is the day that we are headed to Washington State, like I said in the previous video, which we'll show in a little past history part of this video. I just want to say to Montana and all our friends, thank you for the amazing memories. We look forward to making new memories in Washington. Like I said, we'll be near the Seattle type area. But we are definitely excited, me and the wife. We got the Highlander all packed up, as well as our U-Haul trailer right behind there, as you can see a little bit. But we're looking forward to it, and we hope you enjoy this adventure video. Hope you're all enjoying the video. Hey YouTube, it's JSpears15. We have just arrived in Washington State. Currently my wife is on the phone with her family in the Philippines. So it is a little messy right now. We just unloaded everything, so I do apologize. But here's a little mini tour of the new apartment here. So, got a nice bathroom here. Loving it. A nice little living room. It is a little messy right now, so I do apologize. But definitely a well-worth trip. The views are amazing. A little nice kitchen here. Kind of reminds me of the old one in Montana. So it's just like everything's reversed, like a flip-flop. A little small deck out here, but not too bad. I think it's manageable. Definitely store ice and plants. Nice, gorgeous. I'm excited to be here. I'm definitely happy we made it, but it's a brand new adventure. I'm looking forward to it. So if you did enjoy our travel video to Washington State, feel free to like, subscribe, comment below. Love to hear your feedback. Love to hear about your guys' travels and moves as well. And feel free to definitely subscribe. Take care, everyone. I'll see you later in some next videos to come. Take care.